Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Becoming a ROS Developer. So today we've got Ying, who has completed course ROS 2 navigation, and he will be giving us a presentation. So first of all, as always, we'll see a demonstration on the real robot, and then we'll get through his code base and he'll explain what he did and how he did it. And then at the end, as always, we'll get to ask him a couple of questions. Alright, I will now hand over the platform to him so he can begin his presentation. All right,
Okay, thank you.
just hang on, Ying. Wait a minute. All right, let me. Let's see if I can get this sorted.
May I start now?
Are you connected to the real robot now?
Yeah. Already, yeah, of course.
All right. So let me see if I can get you to start going. There's just been a glitch with my broadcast here.
Mm.
So okay, let me pause a little. All right, Ying. You can proceed now.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Hello everyone. Today I will present the no, ROS 2 navigation and so the most of the module I use is from the official provided one. So I don't make slides today. And I have finished the mapping. I have mapped the real robots field, which is called the Smart City Lab, and also I have finished the recording the spots that I will use to navigate to later, and I have set up every node that will be used during the navigation. And okay, let's come straight to the point, all right? And I will show you what I have done so far. Okay,
Okay.
and for the first part, I will launch the rivets and see how we can configure that. And as you can see, I have saved the previous configure to the previous configuration, and that's just loaded. Okay,
All right.
and you see, I have everything ready now. And let's just oh, sorry. Let's just activate the map server and the localization server, which is based on the AMCL, Adaptive Monte Carlo localization method. And we can just, and as you can see, the real map has appeared, and we can just publish the initial position, and everything will be on track.
All right. So that's the map you created, right?
Yes, Yes,
Okay. All right.
and this is a real robot map. And you see, I think the initial position it's quite good now, and it's very precise.
Mm-hmm.
And now we can activate the navigation server, like in the third terminal, which I have tested just now.
All
Okay.
right.
Okay, it seems that everything goes well, and let's try a little bit by publishing the goalposts to the first corner. Let's see
Mm-hmm.
what is happening. All right, okay. It seems everything goes well, right?
All right.
Let's go back to the original point. It's still good. Oh, okay. Okay, now as requested by the textbook, I have recorded the 4 spots that is used for the navigation in the Smart City lab,
Mm.
which is also done in the real field. And instead of recording 3, I recorded 4 that we can so that we can just go to the go all the places, go around all the places in this lab. Okay.
Okay.
So and I have also programmed uh, to consistently navigate to the four part of each of the four spots, and we can just run this client to do the navigation to the four spots. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Let's try now. And as you can see, it is going to the first corner, divert. Okay. And now the second corner, everything is going, everything goes well, right? And now it's going to the first pedestrian, which is in this place. It's just around the corner. Okay, and finally it will go back to the original point.
Mm-hmm.
And as you can see, everything is well, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, and we can also try some places that is very difficult, right? We can try whether it can go through the mid part. Okay, and due to I think this is due to the cost map there. It can sometimes be stuck, get stuck, change its plan. But I think that's fine. Okay, see that it's stuck because there are so many obstacles surrounding this very it's maybe maybe a little bit confusing to our robots, so it will take some time to find out, right? But
Okay.
it seems everything goes well now. Okay, okay, that's good. Get back to the original point. This will also be very difficult. Uh, bad thing. We could, oh my God, this is a little bit embarrassing, but anyway, it succeeded. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I think I think it's all what I have done according to the request of the textbook.
Okay.
So yes, so okay. So is there anything else I should do?
I think that's it. If that was your demonstration, then that's it. Are you not going to use any presentation material, slides, or anything?
Yeah, I didn't prepare slides. I think because I think this is mostly based on the official module, so I don't
Yeah.
have much to provide.
No,
Yes,
it's fine. It's fine. I
yes.
just wanted to find out in case you wanted to get us through that, but it's okay. So, the
Okay.
first question I'd like to ask you is, I think we did
Uh-huh.
notice that your robot did manage to avoid some obstacles, right? Do you have anything in mind
Yes.
that you thought you could have done better?
Okay. I think to navigate through the obstacles, I think we have to make it. We have to. I think the most important part is the local cost map. Sometimes the cost around the obstacles are very extreme. So sometimes this cost map configuration will confuse our robots. So if we want to navigate through the obstacles better, we should change a little bit, do some amendment to the logic of
All
how
right.
we generate cost map. And another thing is that we should change our behavior tree when some obstacles it's unprecedented.
All
So
right. All
I
right.
think
So
there are two things.
so
Yes.
in relation to that, what I wanted to ask you is, you do know that you've got the your behavior node, right? That's responsible for managing things like obstacle avoidance and
Yes.
such, right? So
Yes.
in
Yes.
relation to that, are you saying that you could have maybe edited some of the cost maps that are being used there, or is that
Uh,
what you're inclining towards?
No, 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 no. I don't want to edit the cost map. I'm trying to say that I may do some improvements to how it process the cost map
Okay, so how it
instead of
perceives
editing.
the
Yeah.
obstacles. Okay, I see. I see.
Yes.
All
Yes.
right.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So since at the beginning of the presentation you showed that you already had the map created, I would like to know. Take us through the process of creating a map. It's quite something that is important for everyone else to understand. So I want to know, what was your approach? How did you do it?
Uh, what was what? What was what?
How did you create a map? The process of creating the map that you used
Okay.
for your demonstration.
Okay. I just used this is called the cartographers land module,
Okay.
and I just okay. Oh. Sorry. I just use this module and uh, let the robots go around, right?
What is the process of making it go around? As in, what is the significance of that process?
Uh, okay, I think I should close this. I think the significant thing is that first you should have your relays configured well by adding the map to to this place and get it. Oh, currently, it's not published. And let's see. Oh, no. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear
There's
you.
some.
I can hear you.
Okay. There's some error in my network. Okay. First you should configure your relay and
Okay.
have a map in here. And second, you should start the service of the cattle cartographer's land.
Yes.
And and the third, you should use the joystick or something to or what we have done in the those two basic to make
Mm-hmm.
it go around all the places and check every corner.
Right. Right.
And yes, and finally you should save the map by using a command. By
Right.
using a command,
Right.
I don't quite remember. Sorry.
All right, no, it's
Okay.
fine. I wanted to understand. I wanted to see that you do understand that you have a process of building the map, and the purpose
Okay.
of making it move around is to make sure that it sees all the corners and crevices that are within the environment in which it's going to be operating in, so that it will have a full, clear
Yes.
view of what the global map looks like before you start making it navigate through that map, or making it localize itself in that map, right?
Yes, exactly.
Right.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly.
One last question. I'd like to find out what are the
Uh-huh.
ways in which you can send a goal to your robot. Right. There should be a couple of them. Right. Can you give me those ways, the methods of sending a goal to your robot?
Okay. Okay. Sending the call to the robot. I think navigation module has done all the command things. And what I have done is to set up a action client
Mm.
to request our robots to go to the position. And this is the code that is
What?
mainly
Okay.
used.
I think you didn't get me right there. I want to know what is the method that you can use to send the goal that you want it to navigate to, right? What methods do you have in ROS 2?
Uh, what method?
Okay, the first one I could give you an example. The first one is you used the 2D send 2D goal, right, in RVs, right?
Yeah, yeah. Oh,
That's
okay,
the
okay.
first one.
I
What are
got
the
it.
other ones? Yeah.
Okay, the other one is by using the command by uh I don't quite remember that command, but you can just re rec just like how you do by using the action client, you can send a request
Right.
to that
Right.
to that service
Uh,
action service
all
action
right.
server.
All
Yeah.
right. So that's sending the
Yes.
goal through the command line, right? And then there should be
Yeah.
another one.
Command line.
What is the other one?
Another one is just by creating a client node, and you can just send the goals consecutively by using this action client. This will be very convenient, and this should be what we do for the real robot,
All
the
right. All
real
right.
engineering project.
I see that one.
Yes.
That's quite good.
Mhm.
You did notice that is another method. But what I wanted was the use of the points that you would have saved in your YAML file, right? Like what you were doing with the four-way points, right? That's the other method, right? So passing it as a ROS parameter.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, yes,
All
yes.
right.
Yes. Store them in the YAML file and
Yes.
use it.
Yes, that's
Yes,
the one
yes,
I wanted
exactly.
there. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
All right. I think that's it from me as far as questions are concerned. Otherwise, do you have anything else you want to say on your presentation?
I think no.
That's it.
I think
Okay.
that's all.
All
Yes,
right. All right. So we'll
yes.
wrap it up here. So I recommend you wait, and then we'll finish our meeting in Zoom. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
All right. All right, everyone. So this was Ying's presentation, and we'd like to congratulate him for getting us through the details of Nav2 and how he managed to do his project. And until next time, we say keep pushing your ROS learning. And if you do want to try some of the courses we offer certification on, we highly recommend you do so, as this will improve your knowledge about ROS 2 and the robotics world in general. So, ciao, ciao, bye bye.